equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on replacing the turbine in your Dyson HS hairdryer. Today, we'll walk you through the entire process, ensuring you have the right tools and knowledge to get the job done. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. Begin by unplugging your Dyson HS hairdryer. Safety is paramount, so ensure it's completely powered off before proceeding. Next, locate the screws on the back of the device. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws. Keep them in a small container to avoid misplacing them. There are typically 4 screws to remove. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the casing using your flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to damage the plastic clips that hold the casing together. If you find it difficult, you can use your tweezers to help release the clips. With the casing removed, you'll see the turbine. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the dryer. A soft cloth works well for this. Remember, a clean device operates more efficiently. Now, to remove the old turbine, locate the small screws that secure it in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver again, carefully unscrew these. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have it serviced without any hassle. Once the screws are out, gently lift the turbine out of its housing. Take note of how it's positioned, as you'll need to install the new turbine in the same orientation. Now, take your new turbine and place it into the housing. Ensure it fits snugly and aligns with the screw holes. Secure it in place by replacing the screws you previously removed. After the turbine is secured, it's time to reassemble the casing. Align the clips and gently press the casing back into place. Replace the screws on the back to secure the casing. Remember, no calls, no travel. You can always reach out to us if you need assistance. Finally, give your Dyson HS a quick wipe down to remove any fingerprints or smudges. Plug it back in and test it to ensure everything is working correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us for a quote before repair. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the turbine in your Dyson HS hairdryer. This process not only saves you money but also extends the life of your device. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.